Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Kansept Knives Accipiter here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about this fella. And you know what? You can also check out fablades.com or at Fablades on Instagram and see what's going on there. So, I mean, this guy comes with a lot of stuff. Like, this is a velvety package. It's a pretty stiff, like to come out open, but inside of this envelope you're gonna find microfiber cloth, a little bit of paper, and then you find also like silica gel right there, and this interesting pouch from Kansept, of course, nylon and probably, yeah, plastic. And inside you're gonna find your accipiter knife. Look at this nice carrying pouch for sure, but here is the star of the package. Guys, this is a nice front flipper. I'm telling you, it is made in China by Kansept Knives. It is a front flipper, frame lock, stainless steel lock face insert, titanium scales, carbon fiber. Look at this raindrop carbon fiber inlays, very nicely done. Pretty cool lines going on. It's chamfered in a 3D way, so it's just not flat, but I don't know if you can appreciate. Very well made. You got S35 VN steel blade, crowned spine, jimped blade over here, titanium backspacer, lanyard hole integrated into the backspacer, titanium pocket clip, a little bit, you see the clip ramp is a little bit on the steep side, but it's titanium, it's tip up carry-on, it's not reversible. You got over travel stop bar, you got pivot collars. I mean, guys, you got all the boxes checked out. It's, I mean, from the design point of view, you might not like it. I like it. It's I really appreciate the design of the blade. Nice drop point. The handle feels pretty good in the hand, I have to tell you. Let's quickly check the size, because it's very reasonable. Like, you got a 3.5 inch long cutting edge and a 4.6 inch for the handle, with an overall length of 8.2, I would say. So it's very reasonable size. It's nicely done, guys. And also the weight is quite well contained, because scales are not skeletonized. I mean, this is a $200 and something knife, so 4.46 ounces is not too bad in the pocket. You're gonna like it, I think, because the action is also pretty good. The sound is nothing special, nothing spectacular. Closing sound is actually interesting, but overall, it is a pretty cool knife, guys. Nice design, pretty cool ergos, great steel, I mean, titanium, carbon fiber. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.